Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Today, we're going to talk about something that's no laughing matter: escaping poverty. Yep, that's right, we're diving headfirst into the world of financial struggles, tight budgets, and the eternal quest for that elusive dollar bill. Now, folks, poverty is like that clingy ex who just won't leave you alone. It follows you around, it creeps up on you when you least expect it, and it's always lurking in the background like a pesky mosquito. But fear not. Today, I'm here to shed some light on what it really takes to escape from poverty. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive in. First things first, escaping poverty is like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. It takes determination, resilience, and a whole lot of patience. So, strap on your financial hiking boots, people. Step 1. Education. Now, I'm not talking about learning how to do quadratic equations while juggling flaming torches. I mean acquiring the skills and knowledge that can help you land a decent-paying job. Education opens doors, my friends, and not just the ones leading to the library bathroom. Step 2. Saving money. I know, it's easier said than done. But think of saving money like trying to resist that extra slice of pizza when you're already stuffed. It's hard, but it's worth it. Every little bit counts, folks. Even if you have to hide your spare change in the couch cushions like a secret treasure chest. Step 3. Networking. And no, I'm not talking about Instagramming your dinner and hoping someone will offer you a job. I'm talking about building genuine connections, folks. Get out there, meet people, and let them know what you're capable of. You never know when opportunity will come knocking on your door, asking if you're interested in a job that doesn't involve dressing up as a mascot. Now, here's the tough one: perseverance. Escaping poverty is a marathon, not a sprint. It's like running a race with no finish line, but hey, at least you'll be in great shape, right? And finally, my friends, never be afraid to dream big. Shoot for the stars and aim higher than a squirrel on a sugar rush. Believe in yourself, work hard, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't make it. After all, who needs naysayers when you can have your own cheering section? Well, it looks like we've got some extra points to earn. You folks are up for the challenge, huh? Alright, let's keep this laughter train rolling and explore some additional tips for escaping poverty. Buckle up, my friends. Extra point number 1. Embrace creativity. When you're in the trenches of poverty, sometimes you have to think outside the box. Get those creative juices flowing, folks. Channel your inner Picasso or Einstein, or better yet, combine them and invent the world's first money-making masterpiece. Extra point number 2. Embrace failure. Yes, you heard me right. Failure is not the end of the world, it's just a pit stop on the road to success. Embrace those failed attempts like a badge of honor. Remember, Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb on his first try. Can you imagine if he gave up and just sat in the dark, complaining about his electricity bill? Extra point number 3. Embrace community. They say it takes a village to raise a child, but I say it takes a whole community to escape poverty. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and uplift each other. Together, you can share resources, ideas, and even split the cost of a bulk discount on ramen noodles. Extra point number 4. Embrace gratitude. Yes, life can be tough when you're scraping by, but taking a moment to appreciate what you do have can make a world of difference. Count your blessings like a mathematician on a winning streak, and before you know it, you'll realize that your cup isn't just half full, it's overflowing with potential. And finally, my dear audience, the grand finale of Extra Points. Embrace giving back. Helping others, even when you're in need yourself, is a powerful way to break free from the chains of poverty. You never know how a simple act of kindness can ripple out and create waves of change in the world. So, my friends, there you have it, your bonus round of tips for escaping poverty. Remember, life is a game, and sometimes you need to go for those extra points to come out on top. Keep that sense of humor intact, work hard, and don't forget to enjoy the journey along the way. Thank you all for joining me on this laughter-filled adventure. Now, let's go out there and escape poverty one punchline at a time. Click the video on your right-hand side to meet me at another financial show.